Hi, this is Papa Jack. Stig.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2010 Top Quality Awards Global. Okay, so we move on. The 2010 Top Entertainment Awards confers the 2010 Most Outstanding Male Radio Announcer and DJ to Mr. John Gimperde. Papa Jack, congratulations!
It's overwhelming. 5 years of my existence as a DJ. Finally, an award-giving body is able to recognize my talent at like to dedicate my award ko sa mga listeners, mga sumuporta, my daughter and Mimi. Thank you so much, Top Brands, for giving me the award, for me the best male jock, and for giving Love Radio the best FM station for the year 2010. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga awardees na umattend ngayong gabi. Sana next year, taon-taon, makakuha ng award ng Love Radio. Sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, yung mga fans na naging dahilan why I made it this far, bakit ako na-awardan. Maraming salamat kasi if not for them, pwedeng ipagyabang yung pagiging number 1 ng Love Radio at yung pagiging number 1 bilang DJ, pero ang katotohanan, utang ko sa kanila lahat. So, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat.